Hey guys, welcome back to the Three Little Mermaids. And today we are making cloud slime. I can't believe we're making this plus slime. So it's kind of crazy, but yeah. And I'll have the link in the description to all of these ingredients so you guys can make this slime too. So guys, let me tell you the ingredients. You need a bowl, a spoon, contact solution, shaving cream, and glue. I would prefer Elmer's glue because Elmer's glue is like perfect for slime. It's also perfect for school. And if you want your slime to be nice and cool, then you're gonna want some food coloring. So let's get started. So first, guys, we have to add in our glue. So let's open. Okay, guys, so we got the top open. Now we have to pour it into this cup. Now, how much glue we need is we need half a cup of glue. So yes, 1/2 cup of glue. Alright guys, so we just poured all of this glue into here. Now guys, we need another 1/2 cup of shaving cream. So guys, so I got all the shaving cream in here. Remember, 1/2 cup, be exact. So now we have to pour it into the bowl. Okay guys, so now I just put all of the shaving cream inside of here. Now guys, you are going to need a tablespoon to pour in your contact solution. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so how much of this contact solution? You'll need 2.5 tablespoons of contact solution. You're gonna need 2.5 teaspoons of contact solution. So let's get into that. Then now guys, we have to pour in only 1/2. Okay guys, so we just did that. Now guys, before we mix it up guys, we have to add in our food coloring. I think I'm going to do a very, very light blue. So let's add it in. 1, 2. If you guys want a light blue, then add in 2 little drops of blue. So guys, now let's mix it. Okay guys, so it's not really a perfect consistency, but I think now that I'm going to start with my hands, so let's try it out. Okay guys, I am done. Look at this slime. It is like the best. And guys, like this is just amazing. Also guys, let me teach you a trick. See there's slime man? Right there. You put a little contact solution, then you rub it. You can take your slime. You can take your slime, or you can just scrape it off. If you didn't add this on, then guys, you would get stuck with some slimy arms. And now guys, my arm is as good as new. So guys, that is a tip for you. That is a tip. So guys, this fluffy slime is so awesome and unique. If you guys love slime, then you need to try this one. So it's awesome. This is like the best slime ever. It's like so fluffy. And guys, I will have the link in the description to all of the ingredients for this slime. Also, guys, remember, at the end of the summer, if we get 100 subscribers, then, guys, we are going to slime someone. So remember to share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe to our channel so we can slime somebody at the end of the summer because we need 100 subscribers. So, guys, don't make sure to give a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the 3 Little Mermaids so we can slime someone at the end of the summer. I hope you guys love this video of me making slime. So guys, have a splashing fun time. Bye! I made fluffy slime! Oh my gosh, get over there. Do you want me to do it? Can you do it for me? Yeah, I got it. I'm so good. Peace out.